All right, so yesterday, a lot of the video cut out, and well, I ran out of battery power on my phone, but I basically got the corner right here um, all studded in and sistered in at the bottom. I got the other ones underneath the window, but I kind of think the way they set up the window, um, uh, they really kind of messed that all up. Now, over top of the door, I have to cut out a space for a new two by fours to be on top of that header, do the spacing for the studs, which are 24 on center from this corner. I have to go ahead and start doing the demo on this side to bring that all down and check the back wall, see how bad that is. All these electrical boxes and condenser boxes have to be disconnected from the wall, but I think they'll be able to just sit on the side of the until I can get everything done. But this has to be done. I need to get all the concrete set up so I can start rebuilding. This corner has to be fixed because there's no wood underneath. None under there. The sill plates are gone because they were resting on wood. After I get concrete set on this side, I can go ahead and start getting in the crack here, filling it with concrete all the way down. Try to get the rest of that wood out. That's going to be a chore because the concrete here is just, I mean, the asphalt. This is the asphalt before you get to the concrete. But these all have to be sistered. I mean, so I don't know if I'm going to be using these kind, all going all the way up for the rest of the sisters, but I think that's probably best to go all the way up to the roof. Getting in up there, way more difficult than I thought it would be, but it's coming together. You have dimensional wood with modern wood. It seems like it never works out that way, but those sisters have to be taken out. It's probably going to affect that drywall, but the rest of this has to be taken out so I can sister everything in. And then once that's all done, we will insulate and sheath. This has to be fixed too. Not really sure how far over it goes, but I used 2x6s. They didn't rip them to fit in with the other ones, the dimensional lumber, so it protruded out, and because it protruded out, you got water damage all through here. There probably should be a gutter in this spot just to make sure the water doesn't go down this wall. So I gotta figure out how to do that too. So I got a lot of work to do, and this winter is going to be very, very busy for me. You can't just sister right at the base. A lot of times the rot will go higher. So like on this one, I don't know how good this wood is. So I'm gonna cut out those sisters that are already there and rebuild. Rebuild. So I'm gonna be taking out a lot of stuff today and tomorrow. I'll try to video everything. I'm trying to figure out how to do 2x speed and all that stuff. How to speed up the recordings when I'm doing the work. Hopefully something funny will happen and I can go viral. I doubt that's ever going to happen, but here's to it. Thank you.